Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome back to mathematics class. All of you on your videos and sit properly. Take out the textbook and running notes. Okay. In last class, we discussed about decimals. Yes, children? Yes. Now I am going to explain unitary method. This is new chapter for you. Okay, unitary method. Unitary method. Okay. Did you listen this word? I think you did not listen. Yes, children? Yes. Okay, unitary method. What is the meaning of unitary method? What is that meaning? What is the method of unitary? What we do in that problems? How can we do that problems? Okay, now I will explain, children. First, sometimes we are going to shop. Yes? Am I right or not? Yes, sometimes we are also visiting the shops, general stores, like. Then what you ask to shopkeeper? For example, you want to buy pen. Yes. How much cost of pen? How much cost of one pen? Then shopkeeper said, okay, 10 rupees. Each one pen cost is 10 rupees. He said. Then you give to shopkeeper 10 rupees sign. You take your pen and coming. Next, sometimes we want visiting to fruit shop. Then you want to buy some apples. Shop seller said, dozen apples cost, he said. Dozen apples cost, he said. Dozen apples cost is 70 rupees, like that said. But you want to buy only 4 or 5 apples. Okay, 4 or 5 apples. 5 or 6 apples. Then what we do? They first he said only dozen apples cost, but you want to buy only 4 or 5 apples. 4 apples. Then what we do first? What you are thinking in mind? Okay, one of the cost. First we have to find out one of the cost. What is the cost of one apple? Then you can multiply to a number of means 4 apples cost. Then we can find out 4 apples cost. That is unitary. First unit. Unit means one of the cost. We have to find out one of the cost. Then we can find out number of cost. That is unitary method. That method is called unitary method. Vignesh, what is your doubt? First, M. Vignesh, unmute yourself and ask. Unmute your mobile. Ask.
He is using two.
Once again ask. I did not understand. Vignesh. Okay. What is the unitary method? First, we have to find out one of the cost. Then, in given problem, number of cost also. For example, dozen apples cost 80 rupees. Dozen apples cost 80 rupees or 96 rupees. Okay, dozen apples cost is 96 rupees. Then we want to buy only 4 apples. 4 apples cost. Fruit seller said on dozen apples cost, he said. How much cost? 96 rupees said. but you want to buy only 4 apples. 4 apples cost how much? How can we give money to shop seller? Yes, how can we give? Just first one of the cost we have to find out here. One of the cost. How can we find out one of the cost? 1 unit. Unit means one cell. So one of the cost. One of the cost, how can we get first of all? Dozen. You know dozen? Dozen means how many articles? Dozen means 12 articles. Dozen means 12 articles. 12 articles. Now first, one of the cost of one apple. Cost of one apple, 96 by 12. Okay, 96 by 12. First, 96 divided by 12. 12 is 96. 8 rupees. Yes, 8 rupees is one of the cost. One apple cost is 8 rupees. Now we can find out very easily 4 apples cost with multiplying. 4 into 8. 4 8s are 32. Very good, Vignesh. 4 8s are 32. 4 apples cost. 4 8s are 32. Okay, 32 rupees. First here given dozen apples cost. And here we have to find out 4 apples cost. First what we do? First of all, one of the cost. What is the cost of one apple? One apple cost we have to find out here. How can we find out? 96 divided by 12. Where is 12? What is 12? Dozen. Dozen means 12 apples. Pair means 2. Okay? Pair of shoes. Pair of bags. Pair of earrings. Pair of bangles. That is 2. Pair means 2. Dozen means 12. Okay? 96 divided by 12. 12 8s are 96. 8 rupees. One apple cost is 8 rupees. Then we have to find out 4 apples cost. Cost of 4 apples, 4 8s are 32. First here finding one of the cost, one apple cost. So that is unit. That is unit. Unitary. This is called after multiplying number of apples cost. That is unitary method. In unitary method problems, 2 steps are there. First, we have to find out one of the cost after given number of cost. Okay? Did you understand, Amma? What is unitary method? In unitary method, 2 steps are there. First, 2 steps. First one is division. Okay. Next second one is multiplying. First one of the cost. One of the cost. Next number of cost. Number of cost. Okay. In unitary method, 2 steps are there. First, we have to do division. After, we have to do multiplication. First, we have to find out one of the cost after given number of cost. That is unitary method. Okay. These problems only have in this unit, children. Okay. Now, let us see 7.1. Exercise 7.1. These are only introduction. Example 1. Example problem. I explain now only example problem, children. Now I am going to explain exercise 7.1 problems. First, what is unitary method? Did you understand first of all? In unitary method problems, what we do? Sritan, move this side. Move. Did you understand, children? Okay, understand. Very good. Okay. Now let us see exercise 7.1. What is first one? Exercise 7.1. Do the following problems. First one. The cost of a dozen mangoes is rupees 99. Okay, what is the cost of 9 such mangoes? Once again, I am reading. Once you listen, children. The cost of a dozen mangoes, rupees 99. Here, dozen mangoes cost is 99 rupees. Next, we have to find out what is the cost of 9 mangoes. 9 such mangoes. Here, find out the 9 mangoes. Cost of 9 mangoes. Here, dozen mangoes cost given. Dozen means 12. 12 mangoes cost given. We have to find out 9 mangoes cost. Okay. Did you understand first problem? Once read the problem and you understand this problem. After, you have to do. It's rupee symbolism. RX and rupee symbol. And then what is the cost of? In this problem, 2 steps are there. Once you observe, children, in this problem, 2 steps are there. Here only given 12 mangoes cost. Dozen means 12. Dozen is 12 articles. Okay. So here 12 articles, 12 mangoes cost given. Then 9 mangoes cost asking. Okay. First what we do? First we have to find out first one mango cost. Cost of one mango. How can we do that one? With division. Okay, one of the cost, how can we find out? With division. Then we get one answer. After division, we will get one answer. Then you have to multiply by 9. Because of 9 such mangoes cost, we have to find out here. That's why 9 into, after division, we get answer. That one, you multiply with this number. Then we get 9 mangoes cost, we can find out. Okay? Listen to it, Amma. Did you understand? Okay, first on your videos, Bhavyasri, Abhinay, Rahman, Manikanta, Ayan. All of you on your videos. Joy Malika. Next, Bhavyasri. Don't hide your videos. Your attendance is here absent. Your teacher is taking attendance. Ayan, on your video. Ayan and Bhavyasri. Joya Malika, Manikanta. Okay, Abhinay, very good. Abhinay and Harini. Okay, next, Ayan. What about you? Why are you hiding your video? Manikanta? Okay, you don't want to present. Okay, as your wish, children. Joya Malika. On your video, ma'am. Meshana. Okay, Komali, I think. Gangapuram Komali. Vishnu. Okay. The cost of a dozen mangoes is rupees 99. What is the cost of 9 such mangoes? First, write steps. Sit there. Sit First step is cost of dozen mangoes. Cost of dozen mangoes. How much? 99 rupees. First dozen. Dozen means how many? You know already. Dozen means 12 articles. So cost of dozen equal 12 articles. Now cost of one article. Sorry, cost of one mango. $99 divided by 12. 99 divided by 12. 12 8s are 96. It's 9 minus 6, 3. In quotient place put a point and here in dividend side write 0. Okay, with division. Next 12 2s are 24. 30 minus 24, 6. Already here point is there. That's it. Again you have to write 0. 12 5s are 60. 8 rupees 25 paise. Cost of one mango 8 rupees 25 paise. One mango cost here. What is the cost of one mango? 8 rupees 25 paise. This division did you understand, Amma? 12 8s are 96. 3. Okay. Here remainder is 3. So that's why here point. Keep point and here write 0. 30. 30 divided by 12. 12 2s are 24. 30 minus 24 is 6. Here already here point is there. That's why here dividend side. Again you have to take 0. That is 60. 12 5s are 60. 60 minus 60 is 0. Now 8 rupees 25 paise is one of the cost. One mango cost. Then we can find out easily 9 mangoes cost with multiplication. Cost of 9 mangoes. 8 rupees 25 paise into 9. Do multiplication. Nine fives are 45. 9 2s are 18. 18 4 22. Point. 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 2 74. What is the cost of 9 8s are 72? Yes, 74 rupees 25 paise. What is the cost of 9 mangoes? 74 rupees 25 paise. Vignesh, 25 paise also. Here not only 8 rupees, 25 paise also is there. 25 paise into 9, 8 rupees 25 paise into 9, we get answer 74 rupees 25 paise. This is the answer. First, here one of the cost is this one. And 9 mangoes cost is this one. One of the cost 8 rupees 25 paise. Next 9 mangoes cost is 74 rupees 25 paise. One of the cost, how can we find out? One mango cost, how can we find out here? Just with division. 99 divided by 12. What is 12? Dozen article. Dozen means 12 articles. That's why we have to divide it by 12. 12 8s are 96. How can we do division once you observe children? Okay. Next here 8 rupees 25 paise is one of the cost. Then multiply by 9. That one of the cost multiply by 9. Then we can get 9 mangoes cost. That is 74 rupees 25 paise. Okay. Did you understand, Emma? If you have any doubt, ask. Here division, multiplication. In unitary method, 2 steps. First one is division, after one is multiplication. Division and multiplication only having here in unitary method problems. In this problem, if you have any doubt, raise your hand. I will clarify your doubt. No doubts. Hamsini. Okay. Next, anybody? Alekia, did you understand, Amma? No doubts. Okay. Okay, children. Write down. Same, second one also. The cost of 10 milk packets, rupees 65. Find the cost of 4 milk packets. First, 1 milk packet cost, how much we have to find out. What we do? 65 rupees divided by 10. After, multiply. Okay? We can get answer. 4 milk packets cost, we can find out. Okay, now I will explain second one also, children. Next remaining one, try to your own. Okay, only third one, fourth one, try to your own. Only I am giving homework for you. Only third one and fourth one. Next remaining problems in tomorrow class I will explain. First I am explaining second one. What is second one? The cost of 10 milk packets. Is rupees 65. 65 rupees. Find the cost of 4 milk packets. Don't touch. As it is children, same like first problem only. First, find out first of all one of the cost. Means 1 milk packet cost. First we have to find out. After we can find out easily 4 milk packets cost. Right, first step, cost of 10 milk packets. Rupees 65. 65 rupees. Now find out 1 milk packet cost. Cost of 1 milk packet. ₹65 divided by 10. Okay, they are not sufficient. You combination only do, children, but here not sufficient place. That's why I am doing here. Rupees divided by 10. 10 6 are 60. Division. You know very well division how to do. First 10 6 are 60. Next 5. 10 5 are 50. It's a 0. Already here is 0 is there. You have to write here in quotient place 0. So 2-digit numbers before you have to put dot. Rupees pies. So that is 6 rupees 50 pies. 6 rupees 50 pies is 1 milk packet cost. 1 milk packet cost. Then we have to find out 4 milk packets cost. Cost of 4 milk packets. Into 4. No division. Do multiplication here. 6 rupees 55 into 4. 4 zeros are 0. 4 5s are 20. Next 4 6 are 24 plus 2. 26. 26 rupees. 26 rupees is 4 milk packets cost. Okay. Did you understand, Amma? First, 1 milk packet cost. How can we find out the 65 rupees divided by 10? Here given 10 milk packets cost. That's why. First 1 milk packet cost. How can we find out? 65 rupees divided by 10. I did that one only here. That is 6 rupees 50 paise. 1 milk packet cost is 6 rupees 50 paise. Then 4 milk packets cost is 6 rupees 50 paise into 4. That is 26 rupees answer. 26 rupees. Yes. Still now, if you have any doubt in unitary method problems, ask children. First practice how to do division and how to do multiplication. First you practice. You learn tables also. Very important tables for this one also. Okay, Hamsini, what is your doubt, Amma? Hamsini, unmute yourself. Unmute yourself. Ask what is your doubt.
Teacher. Teacher.
Yes, say girl.
Exam marks when telling teacher.
Today or tomorrow. Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Okay. Did you understand these problems first? Unitary method problems?
Understand, teacher.
Okay. First one and second one. Now homework is
Understand, teacher.
fourth one. Okay? For your homework is third one and fourth one. Try to your own and send me. In your CW, in your running notes, you complete and send me pic. Okay, children? Did you understand? Alekia? Okay. I hope you understand, children. In tomorrow class, remaining one I will explain. Okay. Thank you.